Hello, Terraria and Minecraft enthusiasts, and welcome to the third episode. No. Yeah, the third episode of building in my world. Gonna load in. Last time we did a bit of terraforming, and I made a short form video about building a little house. Today, I'm going to be revamping the desert, which is over this way. It's not the biggest desert, so I'm going to make it a little bit bigger before I begin, just by chopping off the dirt and flattening it out so that it is the way I need it to be. So I'll get that done and be back in a minute. There we go. I extended the desert, so now I have a nice large area to build in. But first we need to terraform. And I'm gonna actually do something I haven't done before and get some things. So you can get world globes from the zoologist, and you can use them to change the background. And I'm gonna find one that I like. I think I'm gonna use this one because it's already flat and it means I have to do less work. But I'm gonna put a few dunes in. Here's one dune, and I'm gonna put one right here as well, but a bit taller. And here's most of the terraforming done already. We got 2 dunes, and I left this area for a pyramid-like structure, which I'm going to bring back a bit. We got an oasis, the other dune, and yeah, I'm going to start boxing out the areas and then be back in a bit. Well, the pyramid I'm making is not your average pyramid. It's more of just a catacomb or something. So, but it's not going to be the main feature of the place. That's going to be the oasis. So there's going to be our 3 houses for our pylon. Well, I'm gonna clean up my inventory and get to building. And there we go. It's all done. Finished and everything. And using context clues, you can probably tell what they're doing with this crystal. So yeah, We got the house for the dye trader, the warship house, and the other 2 houses. And just to see, the pylon does in fact work. I didn't have time to do the desert pyramid yet. I'll probably do it in a YouTube short. So stay tuned and have a good day. Bye.